Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and resize a logo on your WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll have a crisp, perfectly sized logo front and center on your site, giving your brand the professional touch it deserves. Whether you're just starting to set up your site or refreshing your look, this is a quick and easy update that can make a world of difference. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control panel where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with all your options. Look for your website's name. Sometimes it says My Site, site name, or directly list your site depending on your theme or setup. Click on that to open up the site customization options. Now, within these options, search for something called Edit Site or Customize. The wording depends a little on your version or the theme you're using, but it's usually pretty straightforward. When in doubt, just keep an eye out for anything mentioning Site or Customize. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a visual editor where you can see a live preview of your website. It might take a few moments to load, especially if your internet connection is on the slower side. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Next, we want to add a site logo. In the preview area, hover over or scroll to where your site's header is, the section at the top of your page with the site name or placeholder logo. Find the option to add site logo. This is usually in a block or designated spot that says Site Logo or sometimes just Logo. If you haven't uploaded a logo yet, click on this block and it will prompt you to upload a new image from your computer, or you can choose one you've already uploaded to your site's media library. A quick tip here, make sure your logo image is clear and preferably a PNG with a transparent background. This helps it blend nicely into your site's design and prevents any awkward white boxes around it. Now that your logo in place, let's make sure it's the right size. This next part is crucial because a logo that's too big can overwhelm your page, and one that's too small might barely be seen. Click directly on the site logo block you just added. When you do, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see the block settings sidebar. This is a panel packed with tools to adjust how your logo looks. In these settings, find the option labeled Image Width. This is where you get control over the exact size of your logo. You'll see a slider that lets you smoothly increase or decrease the logo's width, or you can type in a specific pixel value if you want precise control. For example, 150 to 200 pixels is common for most headers, but you might want to play around a bit. Move the slider slowly and watch how the logo changes on the live preview. This way, you can see what looks best without committing until you're happy. Take your time here, there's no rush. Getting your logo looking just right is worth a few extra moments. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. You can always come back and adjust it later. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. In the top right corner of the editor, look for the Save button. Give that a click. WordPress will update your site with all the changes you made. Refresh your site in a new tab to double-check that the logo looks great on the live version. And that's it. You've successfully added and resized a logo on your WordPress site, all in just a few easy steps. Your site now has that extra bit of polish that makes it stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into problems, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.